Jamaica, listen up. PNP is now probing the money Caribbean Cement gave to the JLP. When a cement company gives $201,500 to a political party during an election, that's not generosity, that's influence. And now Dr. Dayton Campbell, General Secretary of the PNP, is demanding full answers from Cemex, Carib Cement, and the Jamaica Labor Party. Because when big money meets big politics, small people always end up paying the price. Let's make it plain. Carib Cement reportedly handed over $201,500 to the JLP, money that may have fueled their last election campaign. Now the country is asking, what was that money for? And what did Jamaica get in return? New schools, new hospitals, or just more contracts for the same corporate friends? Dr. Campbell didn't mince words. He stood strong and said the people deserve to know whether public policy is being shaped in the boardroom instead of the ballot box. Because you cannot serve two masters, the Jamaican people and corporate donors. Carib Cement benefits from government projects, roadworks, housing developments. And if they're giving millions to the party in power, it raises serious ethical questions. Is this investment, or is it payback disguised as patriotism? The PNP is demanding full transparency. Who approved the donation? Was it declared to the Electoral Commission as required by law? And did any minister or MP benefit directly from that $201,500 flow of funds? The country has a right to know, because this is not just about the JLP, it's about the future of political fairness in Jamaica. If private money can buy political access, then democracy is for sale, and the people are the ones getting shortchanged. And the JLP's silence is deafening. If there's nothing to hide, show the paperwork. Let the light shine in, because corruption only grows in darkness. Dr. Campbell said it best. Jamaica deserves truth, not tricks. Carib Cement must answer. The JLP must come clean. And the people? We must keep watching, because $201,500 can't just disappear in thin air like cement dust. This is Michy Dex Commentary, where truth stands taller than Parliament, and no bag of cement can cover corruption.